It's down to 5 seconds. Near steal. Newsom can't elevate. Here's a shot that's in the air. Whoa! Is it in time? Is it in time? It looks like it is.
6 to shoot. Black bobbles. 4, 3. AB puts it up. Bang! Torres with a pick. Dario lines it up. Yes. To Dario. Diego wide open. Fadeaway is good. Dario with 11 in this game.
It's quick because nandun nga yung defense sa Meralco. Oh, look at that speed!
I believe yung kunento niya kay Abol, report niya. Banquero umatake. Layup is good! And a chance for a 3-point play. Hey, you know this guy, Banquero.
Sabi mo nga, he can play 3 or 4. I think he can also play 5.
He can.
Karam throws it in.
That's a second three-pointer now for Anjo Karam. Where
Keeps the possession. They have 1 second remaining. Drains it in, and what a day for Anjo Karam.
Zerham coming over to offer that pick. Newsom son. Oh! Holy!
Paano yun? Over Amos, ha?
Maliwanag yung nakita ko.
Ito pa isa. Oh! Sabi sa'yo, kita mo, isa pa eh. At kaliwang kamay naman ito, ha?
Kiss the rim jam from Chris Newsom.
Goes to the right, pass to the trailer. Quinto, stop and pop, goes! And we're tied up at 15. First quarter, Quinto nagmamadali. Oh! He got that one to go against Hollis Jefferson.
Iwan si CJ sa kabila. Stop and pop 3. Maliksi! Unofficially. Maliksi again! Bang! Pasaol, shoots a 3. No limitations. No problem para kay Alvin Pasaol.
Naisip-isip ko din. Kung hindi ituloy yung laro, sayang naman ang laro ni yan!
Alvin Pasaol, exactly. Rios fakes the 3, drives closer, glides in the air.
That put back. Takbo tayo sa kabilang banda. Rios for 3. That's good. Sees the opening. Oh! Cliff Hodge!
He's not even in the picture.
At it's atin ang Cobra Energy Drink. Tunay na lakas. Saan ang galing?
Good stop then for the Bolts. Hodge. Oh, he is determined.
No, lefty na nga lang.
In transition. Oh! Hesitation move from Raymar Jose. Thereabouts. Jose will take a 3. Nice line. Connects.
Black kicks. Torres releases. Norbert buries the 3. Quinto. Torres sliding in. Torres puts it up and in.
Points at this point, I think. Pascual. Great move.
Alexi. Pocket pass down low. Pascual with a reverse.
Ito kaya ko i-block, sabi ni Jason. Inside the door. Yes!
Oh! Play after play, highlight after highlight here, and they're just running. There's no stopping the kind of offense.
Karakot to Montalvo all the way, leads it for Bates. A bruise and a deuce. A 3-point play opportunity. A Milo Nutrient galing drive at the quarter.
6-19, 5 שניות לשון הזריקות, בריימו מתחת לסל. כשאתם חוזרים לפה, יש הטבעות וחזקות. השדה, גם אלייג'ה בריינט, רק 3 נקודות עד כה, נותן את זה לבריימו שמסיים נהדר. פס למי למסור, בריימו חוטף ובריימו לוקח את זה כל הדרך עד הטבעת. קון, בריימו, מבחוץ פנימה, בריימו. דני פאנ